Thinking of buying a used car? Hold on, because if you rush in, you might end up with a money-sucking nightmare instead of a sweet deal. The good news? I'm about to hand you a simple checklist anyone can use, even if you can't tell a carburetor from a carburetor sandwich. First things first, don't just get hypnotized by the shiny paint job. Walk around the car in daylight and look carefully. Uneven panels or mismatched paint usually scream accident repair. Rust bubbles on the doors or under the wheel arches. That's the car's way of telling you, I'm aging badly. Now the tires. They may look fine, but uneven wear means alignment or suspension issues. And don't forget the tire's age. It's written right there on the sidewall. Old tires can be more dangerous than driving blindfolded. Pop the hood, and no, you don't need to be a mechanic. Check the oil dipstick. Healthy oil is amber, not black sludge. Look at the coolant. It shouldn't look like someone dumped muddy water in there. And if you see freshly cleaned engine bays, be suspicious. Sometimes it's just hiding leaks. Inside the car, test everything. Windows, AC, infotainment, even the tiny cabin lights. And when you turn on the engine, every warning light should come on for a moment and then go off. If they don't, guess what? That car might be hiding secrets like your last situationship. Now for the most important step, the test drive. Don't just roll around the block. Take turns, hit the brakes, accelerate. Listen closely. Clunks, rattles, weird vibrations. They're all red flags. If the steering pulls to one side, congratulations, you just discovered a future repair bill. And here's the golden rule. Never, ever skip a mechanic inspection. Yes, it costs a little, but it can save you from buying a car that's basically a four-wheeled money pit. Think of it as cheap insurance for your sanity. So, if you follow this simple checklist, you'll walk away with a car that's reliable, safe, and actually worth your money. Now I want to know, what's the weirdest thing you've ever noticed in a used car? Drop it in the comments. And if this video saved you even one headache, hit that like button. It's free, unlike car repairs. Subscribe to Wheel Wallet for smarter car and finance tips that protect your ride and your wallet. Stay sharp and drive safe.